Welcome back to BAS 120. We're going to go through what's called a prosody capacity index, example 4.11. So this is used in businesses to see if their runs, if I have a production run and I want to keep them within certain quality controls, this tells me what's going on with that. I can take an upper limit and my lower limit per specification. So in this example, my upper limit was 5.2, my lower limit was 4.8. For some reason, the business wanted to make sure that every product they made was within these two guidelines. No larger than 5.2, no smaller than 4.8. They'd given us the mean and they'd given us the standard deviation. Now, all this total variance is it's basically it's taking three standard deviations to either side of the mean. So all this equation is right here is my mean, which is C7, plus 3 times C8, my standard deviation. And then this is same thing, C7 minus 3 standard deviations. So my total variance is the difference between these two. So what it's telling me is 3 standard deviations is 99.7% of the population, falls between 4.639 and 5.341. And my specifications are 4.8 and 5.2. That's a difference of 4. So my CP index is just my difference that I have between my specifications divided by my total variance. And you can see in this case, I get, because my total variance is larger than the difference of my specifications, I get a number that's less than 1. And typically that's thought of, I've got some production problems if it's less than 1, because what's happening is, as you can see here, I'm going to have a lot of my samples outside my specification range, because this distance is much larger than this. Now, different companies are going to look for different, some are going to want as high as 1.5 for this CP index. Some people, and a lot of it depends on how you define your upper and lower specifications. So mainly I just want you to have an awareness of this, because every business is going to use it slightly differently.